What's up, guys? Welcome back to another exclusive iCloud bypass video. Today I'm going to be walking you through a comprehensive step-by-step guide to remove iCloud without the AppleID password. So without any further ado, let's get the video rolling. Alright, so this is the software we are going to be using today in this video. You connect your device in normal mode. Let me first check the serial number. Let me first check if iCloud is turned on for us to see we have the iCloud on before proceeding. So you search for iUnlocker, then you click on the first link, then you click check iCloud. Click here and click check iCloud again. Paste the serial number or the IMEI number here, and then you click on check. From the result, you can see here that Find My iPhone is on. Back to the software, you click on the settings icon at the top left corner, then you turn on encryption. Once that is turned on, we head over to the device or the iPhone that has the iCloud on it. From the device, you open the settings, click on your account, click on iCloud, click on show all apps, scroll all the way down till you see the Game Center app, toggle it off and turn it on for about 3 to 4 times. Once you're done with that, you switch on the airplane mode. Once the airplane mode is turned on, let's get back to the software. Just click on turn on Find My iPhone. Click on I am ready, agree, and continue. This will take some time. The software is going to back up the device, extract some files. For example, the token we've generated by turning off and on the Game Center. By so doing, we generate a new token. So the token has to be extracted within a certain period of time. It shouldn't take longer. So if there are a lot of files on the device, it's going to slow down the backup and the decryption process. So therefore, that is why we are advised to delete all the files, including all third-party apps, leaving only the system apps. But you have to delete the data within these apps. I sometimes delete some of the system apps because I just want the phone to be free. Alright, so the tool is done actually. Sorry. So if you watch the video, you could see that I ignore that. So I just copy the serial number and paste it here. Yeah, and then you click on check. And from now you can see if the result comes, it's going to be iCloud off. I'll Find My iPhone, it's going to be turned off. So you can see here it says it's off. So we successfully turn off iCloud on this iPhone 11. That we forgot a password and we no longer have access to the other credentials such as the phone number. that is linked to this Apple ID. So I'm going to go ahead and factory reset it. In some cases, you might have to confirm that the iCloud is totally off from different servers. If you can afford, you have to get the full GSS, or you have to just request for iCloud check paid, paid version, not the free version, to be sure that the iCloud is off before you restore or erase the device. Otherwise, you know what's gonna happen. All right, so for some reasons you might see a pop-up showing a little bit message showing on the screen like iPhone lock to or something. Just ignore that. Set your device up, connect to the Wi-Fi network, and skip straight to the home screen. All right, sure. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Till then, peace out.